Good morning, bright and early. May not be bright and early when you're watching this, but it's bright and early for me. And I am here at Hollywood Studios for Passholder Playtime. And I'm like one of the first people here, but they're about to stop us right up here and walk us into Toy Story Land. So for Passholder Playtime, you actually get 2 fast passes, one for Slinky Dog and one for Alien Swirling Saucer. So I was actually the first person to get on Slinky Dog this morning, and it was awesome. I do have the 2 fast passes to use. I already used my Slinky Dog so I could be the first person. And actually they have the standby line open and there's nobody in here. So this is awesome. I'm gonna ride Slinky Dog until I can't ride Slinky Dog anymore. I just went from one extreme to another. I sat in the front row and then I sat in the last row. And it is 2 very different rides from the front to the back. But I'm definitely getting in line again because I'm not gonna have an opportunity like this after today. And so every time Slinky Dog launches, he says something different. And the second time I got on it, he said, "This here is the wildest ride in Andy's backyard." Does that sound familiar to anyone? Because this is the wildest ride in the wilderness! So this is probably in no way, shape, or form like any of our regular vlogs because I'm literally just riding Slinky Dog right now. So I'm actually gonna put the camera in the bag and I will bring you all back out after I ride this a couple more times. This started at 7 o'clock and it's only 7:15 and I'm about to get on for the 4th time. So I guess crazy stuff happens when you're having fun because I forgot my ears on the ride, then they found them for me, and then I went to fix my hair and it broke. So now I get to walk around with this mane the rest of the day. So that was ride number 6 on Slinky Dog. I have 25 more minutes. I'm gonna see if I could get to 10, that would be awesome, but we will see. And since we've got this new camera, I'm gonna try and get some slow-mo shots. So here we go into slow-mo. That was perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and call this my last ride on Slinky Dog, because this is gonna be number 10. And on number 9, I got a little bit nauseous. But this is still gonna be good. Okay, so ignore my hair. But between riding Slinky Dog 10 times and my ponytail holder breaking, you couldn't expect anything else right now. So I would say that Passholder Playtime was definitely a success. I was expecting it to be way more crowded here. I mean, I expected minimal lines, but like, I thought I was gonna be able to use my Slinky Dog Fast Pass, my Alien Swirling Saucer Fast Pass, and then that was gonna be it. So that was awesome. I mean, I'm not really done here yet. Technically, Passholder Playtime was only from 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. and it is 8 a.m. now, but the park doesn't open till 9 a.m. So it looks like they're just going to continue letting everybody ride the rides here until the park actually opens at 9 a.m. So if you do have a Passholder Playtime coming up and you're skeptical about how it's gonna go, from my experience today, I would say you are going to have a great time. For real.
Amigo o enemigo? Did I just switch to Spanish mode? That happens sometimes.
That was Buzz Lightyear. He switched to Spanish mode. That was hilarious. But anyway, there's like nobody here. I thought there was not a lot of people here, but there's nobody here. I'm like walking around. I can see all of Andy's footprints on the ground. I'm like actually getting to take in everything because there's nobody here. This is seriously awesome. If they did an after-hours event at Toy Story Land, this is what it would be like right here. There is nobody around. Walk on all the rides. Like, this has to be seriously limited because there's nobody here. They also have Woody's Lunchbox open, which is awesome. So you can get the breakfast items because it's early morning. And then they also have the characters out so you can meet Woody and Jessie together, and then you can meet Buzz Lightyear. And I did go see Buzz Lightyear, but I didn't get my picture taken with him because the humidity is so extreme right now. And I put nothing in my hair this morning, and then my hair tie broke, so it is just like, when I edit this later, I'm not even gonna be able to look at myself. But yeah, this was technically supposed to be like an hour-long event, but it worked out nicely because they let us in at 7 because it was supposed to be from 7 to 8. But the park, like I said earlier, the park doesn't open until 9, so we've been able to hang out in here until park opens, and then, I mean, you can continue on through the day here, but the lines are not going to be like this after the park opens at 9. So I'm interested to see the mad rush here.
Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger Universe Protection Unit. There's a secret mission in an uncharted backyard. Your directive, have fun.
I guess since I have the Fast Pass, I'm gonna do Alien Swirling Saucers. They don't give you a Fast Pass for Toy Story Mania, just for Alien Swirling Saucers and for Slinky Dog. And they automatically load it to your account. That way you can use it as soon as you get here. But Toy Story Mania is a ghost town right now, so I don't think I'll have a problem getting on. So like the best thing ever just happened as I'm about to leave. I found a ponytail holder in my bag Not sure how well it's gonna hold my hair though, because it's a little dinky one, but whatever. At least I got this mane tamed for right now. But I am making my way out of Toy Story Land. I'm definitely gonna hit the herd on my way out because it's 8:47. Park opens at 9, so we'll see where the people are as I'm trying to leave. So should be interesting, I guess. This was a great morning here at Toy Story Land. I could not have asked for a better morning, other than my hair going crazy, but I mean, that's besides the point. Got to ride Slinky Dog 10 times. I rode Alien Swirling Saucers once with the Fast Pass, and then I rode Toy Story Mania with a complete walk-on, nobody was in front of me. I really wish Toy Story Land could be like this all the time, and Pandora, and basically all the other parks, but then Disney would have no money and then it would close its doors, so that's never gonna happen. But this Passholder Playtime was probably one of the best things. So this was technically the annual Passholder preview for Toy Story Land, even though it happened after Toy Story Land already opened. And the reason that happened is because Toy Story Land basically wasn't ready until right up until Toy Story Land opened. So they couldn't have a preview like they did with Pandora when it opened in 2017. So the Passholder preview is now after Toy Story Land is open, but I don't really think it was a bad thing because I knew how much I liked Slinky Dog already, and then I knew that I was gonna ride it over and over and over again. So this was pretty awesome. It worked out really, really well. I wish I could come to another one, but you can only do one. And I wish there were more. Oh my gosh! Wait, is this the herd? Is this the herd of people? The crowd is coming! They're coming. All right, I'm officially leaving now. Goodbye.